Hey class, it's Ryan Odegaard here. Sorry I couldn't be in the last class and present my project. I'm actually out of town, but I'm making this screencast instead. And feel free to follow along with my site. It's ryanodegaard.com/ode to wood. So it's just my name slash or my name.com/ode to wood right here. Um, and so, yeah, this is my site. It's based off of my uncle's website, which is Hardwood Creations. This is wood business, so we make a lot of different cutting boards and game boards. So, kind of wanted to help um, make our e-commerce business a little bit better. So currently his site is a little outdated. So hopefully once I learn some more, I'll be able to upgrade his. So first page, this is the landing page. So we have a picture at the top and then these products on sale. You can, if you're on your phone, you can just slide them left and right like this. It's kind of cool, I thought. And all I use for that is CSS. So the way I did that is I have the product list. I have an unordered list of products, so they're called product list. And then each product is one list item. So that's the first product, here's the second product, and here's the third product. And you can see on the page first, second, and third. So you can see there's only 3 products. And so once those products are in there, we can look at the CSS, which is just this part. So here's the product list, the list of the products. And all I do is for the overflow X, go in the X way, I turn it into scrolls so people can swipe. So users can swipe, and then overflow Y. I had to add that later because I changed my code one time and then it started showing a vertical scroll bar. So I used that to change it. Then this is the CSS for each individual product. So I displayed it as inline block, has margin, and then I center everything. Then this is what I want the product image to do. This is what the title is going to do, and the original price and sale price. So here, each product, the entire list item is going to be a link. So whenever you hover over the entire list item, I have some CSS for hover, but the entire thing is a link. And then the next thing is going to be the image right here. This one happens to be the zigzag cutting board. And then next would be the title right here. So it's span title. And then after that, the original price, and then the sale price, and that's it. So if you look at the page, here's the image, the title, and then the sale price. This is what it looks like when you zoom out. I'm going to refresh this so that it's kind of the desktop version. Let me close this, refresh this, and I'll show you what happens when you hover it. So you can hover anywhere on this, and it'll show you the different, it'll show you which one you're highlighting. And I tried to make it obvious with the line and the color, so no matter, even if you accidentally hover something, you know that you're gonna click on it. So this is the home page. Back to mobile version. Let's check the iPhone 5 version. That's the one I mainly check because I have the iPhone. My menu, I was pretty proud of my menu. I thought it was pretty slick. I just used JavaScript to slide it up and down, and it was really easy JavaScript too, not much. So I have this code right here. So when you click on the menu item, when you click on the menu icon, and the class doesn't have active, then it's gonna slide up. So if it's this is saying if it's showing, if the menu's showing, slide up, and then say it's not showing. If it's not showing, then slide it down and then say active, which means it's shown. And then right here, this says if you click anywhere on the icon, if you click any of the links, slide it up. So I added that because before if I was clicking into the same page, it would keep the menu there, and that wasn't good. So here's a product page. We'll just jump into the product page. This is what it looks. So this is the single column version, and then when you make it wider, it turns into a multi-column version. And this one I was pretty proud of also because it's really easy to add a new product. So let's say you can see we have plenty of different products. So if I go to cutting boards here, I have a lot of different products, and if I wanted to add, let's say, this product, if I wanted to add the removable tray, then all I would do, so here all I would do is go to my product page, which is cutting boards, let's say, and I have it the same way. So each product is in a list item. So if I just copy and paste this, add this, and then let's test it. We'll save this. There's a new product. It's that simple, and then all I have to do is change which page it links to, the image that is shown, and the title, the alt tag, and then change the title. So it's really simple to add more products. So let's say I even want to add 3 more products. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see how simple that is. So we'll save that, and now I have all these products. And then if we inspect it, it's really easy to let's see what this looks like. So it gets smaller, and then drops down to a 2 column, and then 1 column. Actually, I think it's enough. Yeah. So that's one of the things I was proud of with this one. It's how easy I made it to be able to add a new product. And then now each page is going to be pretty similar, and also, so if I want to create a new page, I'll show you the code. Like, so here we'll look at the Sapili puzzle trivets. So we'll look at this product, and so each page it's the same pattern. It's the title right here. Let me close this. So it's the title right here, then a picture about the cutting board, and then an environmental shot, like the product in its environment. So I wanted to that was kind of the wireframe of this. It's pitch the product, then give like a little description of the product, where it's show the images. This also slides too, so I use the same CSS from the home screen there, and then this is to tell the customer, hey, this is what it'll look like in your in your kitchen, so to hopefully spark some emotion. So the code for that is pretty similar for all the pages too, so it's really easy to add this. So this part's always the header, that's always going to be the same, but this is the section for the product, so it's really easy to change. So the first part, you're going to see this is the video. Second part right here, this is about the product, so about the trivets right here. These are all the images, and then this is going to be the description. So it's really simple. You have the original price, the sale price, and then the bottom part is the environment shot. So it's simple pattern to follow through all the products. So I was pretty happy that, like, if I do want to expand this, then it's really easy to add new products. It's easy to add new product pages, and like once you like, I feel like I built a pretty good template. There were some parts that I feel like I could have improved. So like when I tested my site, I didn't get the best results. I should have moved my JavaScript to the bottom. So up here I have the JavaScript all at the top of my code, and I could have put this at the bottom, but I've done that before and it kind of messed up my code. So I just decided to just keep it all up here. Another part I could have improved was the browser caching, which I'm not sure what to do yet. Compression, and then optimize images, which I'd done, but they suggest like reducing it by 3 kilobytes or 4 kilobytes, which in my opinion isn't that much. But one thing that I should have done that we did learn about is minifying the CSS, which, yeah, if I were to do this again, I would do that because that would definitely help my site better. The desktop has the same results. So I tested it. That was on the Google page test, and I also tested on Pingdom and got similar results. They suggested browser caching and yeah, similar things. So overall, this was pretty exciting project. Here's my contact us page. This one at the desktop version, one of the things that was frustrating me was not getting these boxes to line up. And I kept trying to change it in a lot of different ways, but I just ended up having to go with how it is. And so this is what it looks like in the responsive. So everything, this I think looks pretty decent. So you have the first name, last name, and then the whatever you're going to enter is below the label. And then when you get to the bigger screen, it goes right next to it. And then the submit buttons, I have them stacked on each other. Then we'll take a look at the About Us. I like the About Us, other than the images look a little blocked. So that's another thing I need to work on, is kind of like getting better images, I think. And then here's a little video, embedded video of my uncle talking about our business. And then as you expand this page, the images go from full screen to a third of the screen, or about maybe, I think it was like 30%. So here's the About Us, and then the code for the About Us. So if I were to do this again, I'd probably organize my code a little bit better too. So because if I want to learn, if I wanted to change the About Us, then yeah, it's tough to say. Yeah, here's the 30%. And so if I go back here, I think I had the same code for the cutting board care. So I had full screen and then 30% and 60% for the body. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear what you guys would suggest, because this project is really important to me. And I know that there's a lot of ways this could improve. So I posted everything up in the discussion board. So feel free to leave some questions, comments. Love to hear what you guys think. All right, it was great working with everybody, and hopefully I'll see you guys in another class. All right, have a good holiday. Bye.